Hello, I'm Nicole with My Math Experts, and today we are going to learn how to add fractions with unlike denominators. There are two things that you need to remember how to find when we are solving problems like this, is how to find first the least common multiple, and second, the equivalent fractions. So let's go ahead and dive into this problem. We have 1/3 plus 2/5. We notice that their denominators, a denominator of 3 and a denominator of 5, are not common. So diving into our steps, our first step is to find our least common multiple between these two unlike denominators. Multiples are, in other words, skip counting. So we're going to skip count 3 and skip count 5 to find a least common multiple. So skip counting 3, we have 3, 6, 9, 12, and 15. I usually like to stop at the 5th multiple and continue if necessary. So the multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20, and 25. Now, least common multiple means to find the smallest number that they have in common. In this case, that least common multiple is 15. Now, jumping right into our second step, knowing that our least common multiple is 15, we are going to change our original fractions to now have that common denominator of 15. And the way we do that is think of equivalent fractions. So I'm going to take 1/3 and 2/5 and create an equivalent fraction with a common denominator of 15 for each fraction. Now we think to ourselves, 3 times what factor gives us 15? Well, 3 times 5 equals 15. And to make equivalent fractions, we multiply that same factor to our numerator. So 1 times 5 is 5. And we think of the same process for our other fraction, 2/5. Well, how do we go from 5 to 15? What do we multiply? 5 times 3 equals 15. And then whatever we do to our denominator, we do to our numerator to create that equivalent fraction. And 2 times 3 is 6. Now, lastly, what we do with our new fractions is add them. So we're going to take our new fractions with the equivalent denominator with like denominators, 5/15, and add it to 6/15. 6 plus 5 is 11. So we have 11 over 15 as our answer, and there's no simplification that is needed. So our final answer is 11 over 15, 11/15. Thank you so much, and hope you appreciate this video of learning how to add fractions with unlike denominators. Have a good day.